Hey guys, you're watching Melt in a Minute and I'm back with the latest happenings in the world of advertising, media and marketing, all in 60 seconds. Let's get the countdown started. Top news today, Hindustan Unilever has announced the appointment of Prabha Narasimhan as Executive Director Home Care. She replaces Priya Nair, who takes on the role of Executive Director Beauty and Personal Care. Nair, on the other hand, takes over from Sandeep Kohli, who will relocate to Dubai as VP Beauty and Personal Care for HUL's North Africa, Middle East, Turkey and Russia markets. Moving on, L&K Saatchi Saatchi has bagged the mandate for Mirchi, the brand that operates Radio Mirchi, following a multi-agency pitch. The agency will handle the brand's creative and strategic duties. Coming to appointments, Publicis Groupe India has announced the appointment of Deepak Pant as Head Data Science Practice. He moves from Cognizant, where he was Director for AI and Analytics. And finally, Deloitte India is rumored to take over Special Access, a media audit and advisory company that works with advertisers to increase media and marketing ROI. According to media reports, the deal will be around 15 crore rupees. And that's it from us today. This is Ritvika signing off. We'll be back again with all that's buzzing in the world of advertising and marketing. Stay tuned.